is the standard Shopify free trial. Only the first-time Spotify Premium users or new accounts, newer and never subscribed before. You get 1 month free trial, which is always available, and 3 months free trial limited offer by region. To claim it, go to Spotify Premium free trial and sign up or log in to a new Spotify account. Select a premium plan, then, without the card, you can use PayPal and other banks to pay the subscription. It's free, but you have to link a payment method. Start your free trial, and after the trial ends, you'll be charged $11.99 per month, or local equivalent, unless you cancel before renewal. Also, you can get a 6 months trial via official promotion of the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on PC. All you have to do is buy an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and you'll get a 6 month free of Spotify. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.